professional sales manager.
It's a long time no see for watching because we are busy in this day for prepare the Istanbul decision.
Busy of loading.
Loading the products, loading the container.
Yeah, and first we would like to introduce you, give you a very general idea about our company. Now we are specialized in mattress machinery, which including from the single building machine to the mattress automation production lines.
Yes, our factory is established until 5 years. We are in this industry is about more than 15 years.
Yes, and now this is a very new building, and this is our new factory, and we are standing on our third floor, and typically there are four floors in this building. The first floor is our CNC workshop. All the spare parts will be fixed on the first floor, and the second floor is our small machines, including the mattress take-back machine and mattress border decorating production lines and panel cutting machines.
And on the third floor, you can see now we are standing on the third floor. It's a heavy-duty machine assembly workshop. Like we have testing window cleaning machine, plastic window cleaning machine, single window cleaning machine, hand machine, and a stacker. And our fourth floor is automation mattress production line. It's full automatic for produce the mattress. We can produce about 500 pieces of the mattress per day. Also, we can customize the factory produce layout to our customers.
And today we would like to talk about the details of the machines on the third floor. And before we introduce you the details, we can take a run through our floor.
Yes, let's take a round of our third floor.
Yes, and now I'll take from that side.
On that side, you can see
And these quilting machines are specialized in producing the quilts, garments,
for the textile
yes,
industry.
yeah, like pajamas or blankets or even ladies' handbags.
Yes.
And here,
Here you can see
our left hands, those are the single needle quilting machines.
and our worker is assembling and adjusting the machines.
The single needle quilting machines produce the mattress panels.
And now the model
And what you're watching now is the very common single needle quilting machine, one big, one hand. And for the sewing hand, we can choose box. And here now, it's the cutting box. So there are two parts of the single needle quilting machines. The first one is the cutting box, and the second is the quilting sewing head. This is our common standard type of single needle quilting machine. For the very common usage, quilting and cutting. And for upgrading type, there are single needle quilting machines with the fledging functions, which means there are two sewing heads. There are two fledging sewing heads on each side of the cutting box. So when the mattress panel goes through the cutting box, this panel will be overlock the four sides of the mattress panels.
Because in the common model, our cutting box will be for the cutting the panel. But if our customer wants to use the four sides, we also can help you to add the
Okay, this all for the single needle for the rating of the single needle the operation for the single needle quilting machine is quite easy, and we also can provide the teaching service for our customers.
Yes.
We'll teach you workers or your engineers how to operate this machine. And once your engineer or workers get to know how to operate this common single needle quilting machine, then they can also operate our high-end double head quilting machines. The system and the operation theory is all the same.
Yes, it's a Windows system. It's very easy to operate it.
Okay, let's go forward.
And you can see now is our stacker machine.
Okay, these two machines, small machines, are the stacking machines. Usually, this machine will be added on the end of the mattress panel production line.
Yes.
This also we will give you a mattress panel production batch.
We have two choices for our customer.
Okay. Usually, this stacking machine, this stacker, will be added on the end of this mattress panel production line.
Yes.
It's a small machine, but it plays a very important role in this whole production line.
Yes.
Its function is
To catch the mattress panel one by one
yeah.
on the plate, and you can keep your factory very tidy up and very clean.
Yeah, and also this stacker can replace at least two workers, because
Yes.
we know, as we all know, on a very common way, we arrange two workers to pick up all the mattresses and keep a very tidy pile.
Yes.
So we have, and with the workers, we have to pay very pay attention to the potential fire. Yeah, it's because we all know the fabric, especially the foam, the sponge, it's easy to get fibers.
Yes.
And the sticker will replace our workers and keep for your workshop very clean.
Yes.
And the transfer for the workers
Yes.
is
Very
also
easy.
quite easy. Yeah.
Yes. When the mattress panel finish the two step on this production line, when the mattress panel will come out to the stacker, and the stacker will one by one catch the mattress panel on my display, and our worker can use the truck to transfer the mattress panel to the take-in station.
Yes.
And now we have a two choice for our customer. One is the quilting machine with the carding machine and the stacker, and the second one is the quilting machine and the heavy machine is the stacker. Just the middle machine is the difference. And now let me introduce to you what's the difference. And now the mattress panel will throw up the quilting machine. Quilting machine, you can choose the chestnut potato quilting machine. And we'll go to the cutting machine. The cutting machine, the function is for the cutting the mattress panel four side, but without the flanging. So the mattress panel come out to the stacker, and our worker need to transfer to the flanging station. It's a quite trouble for the efficiency.
Yeah, because we know the fledged machine, the
Yes.
fledged workers,
Yes.
we need to employ very experienced fledged workers.
Yes.
So we have to keep the effect of this mattress panel. The sewing lines has to be very straight, so that we can, so that it will be very convenient for the tape station's workers.
Yes.
And this production line on my hands, it's another match. The multi-needle chain stitch quilting machine plus the hemming machine, and then add one set of sticker. The middle machine is the hemming machine. The hemming machine's function, except for the cutter's function, its main function is to flatten, to overlock the four sides of the mattress panels. So when the mattress panel, after finished quilting, then the camera will help the workers to cut and flash the mattress panels. So then go through the hemming machine, the stacker will pile up the mattress panels.
Yes.
And after that, the finished mattress panels will directly sent to the tape edge station.
Yes.
This is the last station for the mattress panel production.
Yes, saving more times and more labor costs for our factories.
Yes,
And this production line can help your factory to improve your producing efficiency.
yes, because without the flagell station,
Yes.
this production line can save at least 4 or 5 workers, 4 or 5 experienced workers, and the effect of the flagell is more beautiful or more straighter than the effect sought by the workers.
And this whole production line, only one worker or the one woman can operate this whole line.
Yes, and I have to mention that the video of how to a woman or how to a female worker can operate the whole production line. We have videos on our YouTube.
Yeah, you can search Zolytech on Google. You can find out our YouTube, our LinkedIn, our Facebook, and our Twitter. You can find out about one worker to controlling this whole production line video. You can find out in our YouTube, and you can find out more of our product detail and more than our exhibition invitation later on our social media. So
Yeah.
please follow us.
Yes, please follow Zolytech on your social media.
Yes.
Social media.
Yes.
Or you can search Zolytech on Google.
Yes.
You can find our company's more information. So and we keep upgrading more videos on our social media so that many dealers or distributors can know us more.
Yes.
Of course, first you will get a very general idea of about Zolytech on social media. Then, if you want to know more, we can get in touch, or we can send, or you can send emails to us directly, so that we can go a deeper business relationships.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's keep going to see the next machine.
Okay, this. Okay, here. This area is our testing and packing area.
Yes. You can see all the finished produced machine is all packing and
First testing.
yeah,
Yeah,
first testing.
testing.
And second is the packing.
Yeah. Every machine, from very small machine to the high-end automation machine, will be tested in this area. So our engineers will test the machines at least 10 hours. At least 10 hours.
Yes. Why is a 10 hour? Because we were testing about the machine without the material about 8 hours, and we will test 2 hours with the machine with the material. So we must make sure the quality of our machine, and then we will send to our customer.
Okay. For the packing ways, there are two ways. One, our standard packing is film and EP packing,
Yes.
and we can provide the wooden case packing.
Yes. So we have the two packing way for our customer to choose.
Okay, now let's go forward.
And now here you can see on my left side is for the chest model quilting machine. You can see many chest model quilting machine are assembled in here.
This is the China's. This is China's. This is the biggest workshop for quilting machines assembly.
Yes, in China.
Yeah, in China. Okay, as you watched on the live streaming, the ability of production is strong. So for the delivery time, our standard delivery time is
30 work days.
30 work days, but we have the ability, since you have watched the production ability, so we still can handle the urgent orders.
Yes. For the urgent situation, we can offer our machine is within 7 work days.
Yes, but usually we will keep a very strict
Yes.
working rotation that we will according to the orders.
Yes.
But for the urgent orders, urgent needs, we can consider to to speed up and to deliver the products within 7 work days.
Yes, you can see our factory will produce about 10 pieces of each type of machine for one batch for every month. So for the emergency situation, we also can handle it.
Okay. Here, this is the multi-needle
Quilting machine.
Transstitch quilting machine. There are 4 types. There are 4 types of multi-needle transstitch quilting machines.
Yes.
The difference of the quilting machine of these 4 types, of course, the first
It's the speed.
It's the speed.
And the structure.
Yeah, the structure, the speed. And our classic one, our classic type is the WV8.
Yes. This machine RPM is about 800 RPM.
Yes, and then the very hot cell type WV12.
WV12 RPM is 1000 RPM.
Yes, and our high-end WV15.
Yeah. Also, this type also hot cell, very hot cell at like Europe, like Europe area, like Turkey.
Yeah.
Yeah. This model's RPM can reach to the 104,000 RPM.
Yes, that's the
1,400.
yeah, that's the high-end type WV15.
Yes.
And our newest type WV16. This is our
New generation.
new
of
generation.
This, Transstitch multi-quilting machine.
WV16.
Yes, the
And-
speed can reach to the 1,500 RPM.
Yeah,
It's the most fast speed on
in the world.
in the world. Yes.
In this matrix
Industry.
in this quilting industry, the
Yes.
matrix quilting industry. And we have to tell you more is that WV16 we will show on our WV16 on
Yes.
the exhibition of Istanbul. in
Yes.
Istanbul.
Yes,
Ah.
we will show this like this is small production line like the WV16, the hammer machine, and the stacker on Istanbul exhibition. So if you are interested in this WV16, please follow our social media. You can we will post our exhibition booth number and the poster on our social media.
Yes, you can find all the show or the booth information in
Yes.
at our social medias.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. On this side are the transstitch multi-needle
Lock stitch.
multi-needle lock stitch quilting machines.
Yes.
Yes,
It's
lock
used
stitch
for-
quilting machines is not used for the mattresses, but
used for the textile industry.
yes, textile industries for
Produce the quilt. The quilt. This machine, the quilting finish can just 3 or 5 cm.
okay 30 to 50 millimeters.
Yes, and the transstitch quilting machine can quilt about 80 millimeter.
Yeah, 80 millimeters materials.
Yes. In this lost stitch multi-needle quilting machine, we also have a free type for our customer. One is the 66 inches, and the second one is the 96 inches, and the last one is 128 inches. But we can customize for our customer. Customize the length, the machine's
The
length.
quilting
Quilting length.
okay, the width.
Oh, okay.
Quilting width of the quilting width of the of the machine.
Yes.
Now it's work off time.
Yes.
It's off work time for
Yeah.
our workers.
Yes.
Usually when all the machines finish the assembling process, our workers will load the materials to test the machines.
Yes.
And with materials, with
With material 8 hour.
2 hours.
Without the material 8 hour, and
Yeah.
with the material is about 8 hour to testing the machine to measure the machine's quality.
And thanks for watching. If you like us, please give us a like. Thank you.
Thank you. And please follow our social media, Zolytech Machinery. You can search on the Google. You can find out our YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok. So today our live streaming is the end.
Yeah, and we would like to invite all our dealers and old friends or wholesalers.
Yes.
We would like to do big business and a deeper business with all our friends.
Yes.
Because we have experience in our domestic, and we can share. We would like to communicate with you with our because since we have experience.
Yes.
And all the industry data, so we can share all those informations with all of our friends and dealers or distributors.
Yes. And so we see you next week.
Okay, and if you want to take part in the exhibition of our in Turkey,
Istanbul.
Please follow us.
Yes.
And we will see you next time. Bye bye.